the seminar basically to educate myself a little bit more about the social media and digital framework that we can use to promote our company.
May I ask your key takeaways and learnings from Anas's session?
Yeah, I found it very interesting. I found that there was a lot of information which you had to condense into a very short period of time, but the presenters really did a good job. And my feeling about it is I live in Dubai, I don't live down here in Ras Al Khaimah, but it was certainly worth the petrol money for me to come down from Dubai today.
Last question, describe your overall experience in this event.
I felt it was very professionally managed. Somebody put a lot of thought into it. It was well organized. And overall, I'm very happy that I made the effort to come from Dubai today. It really was good.
Last question. Any comments or message to Anas?
I just thought he was very good. He was very humorous, very funny, which made the whole workshop very enjoyable to sit through. So keep up the good work is my only message for him.